Sitting here always makes time fly.
It's so relaxing. This bench was a great idea.
Wait, Nessie's waiting.
Gotta hurry. Let's go. Looks like this is the next spot. Let's check it out. I'm here.
Just like people, animals can suffer from stress if things aren't quite right.
Stress?
In the case of these snow leopards, they're a bit stressed by the lack of privacy.
Privacy? Yeah, that's important for anyone.
You can lower their stress levels by swapping out the normal glass barrier by their cave for one-way glass. It's not a cheap option, but I think they're worth the expense, don't you? This will give the snow leopards somewhere to go when they want to get away from the prying eyes of the guests.
Wait, this place is see-through?
No way, I couldn't relax in a house like this.
Snow leopards are more sensitive than tigers, apparently.
No wonder they're stressed. Look, from here it's totally exposed. And there are tons of guests watching. Alright, let's fix that real quick.
Of course, when an animal isn't in its natural biome, it's probably going to be too hot or too cold. Unsurprisingly for the snow leopards, it's too hot. Even with the terrible British weather. You should help cool it down by adding some coolers to their habitat. As you can see, we already have one cooler in there. Let's pop some more down and get as much of the habitat as chilly as we can.
It's called a snow leopard. So yeah, here is a problem.
Why is there only one cooler?
That's stingy. If you're gonna press it, just do it from the start.
Well, Nancy is a bit careless. That's why we got hired.
No complaints.
It'll take a little while for the temperature to adjust once you've added coolers or heaters.
Oh, this cooler is strong though. No roof and it's still freezing fast. Impressive.
Now we've got the coolers in, we can address the leopard's terrain welfare.
Next up, rain tweaks. Let's fix this quickly.
You see, what the leopards really want in here is snow and rock, so let's make that happen.
Yeah, snow everywhere. Should be fine, right?
It's a snow leopard, after all.
Okay, full snow. Let's check. Yep, looks good. Let's finish the rest fast. What else do we need? Plants and the things snow leopard likes.
Wow, look at the jump.
They're good at climbing too. Maybe they're hiding from the guests.
Can be.
Looks like she's hungry. Oh, she's running. Let's follow her.
The keeper placed the food but won't leave their habitat.
Still chilling, huh? Just drop the food and go. Don't answer your phone here. Right now, I can't tell if the keeper is a meat or the meal. Another leopard showed up. Keeper, go already. Did he just step on her tail?
Why she's not angry? So gentle.
Wait, maybe she's angry. It's running off. Into the water? Snow leopard likes swimming.
They're good at it.
Dog paddle. Snow leopard paddle. So cute. I'm healed. What's going on? That one in the back. Maybe a Jacob?
Injured? Sick?
Let's leave it to Bebe. Hope he's okay. I'll ask later.
Will they play with Toy Story?
I place it, so I hope they use it. Oh, she jumped. Oh, she just wanted to climb the rock. I place it for privacy, but glad they like it. Wait, she jumped over it?
No way, she escaped.
A snow leopard escape is bad news. She knocked over the trash bin. Is she eating human garbage? That's not good. She just had lunch. Still hungry? Oh, she ate it. Might get sick. What if she get really sick? Oh, that was bad. Hurry up.
Hey, don't yell. He's doing his best. Still, we should check for escape risks when past the rock.
Another ramp? Wait, is this the escape route from earlier?
So slow.
Oh, a baby snow leopard. So cute.
Animal babies are always adorable. Sounds like a kitten.
But the parents were powerful, strong and gentle. What a creature. So that was our snow leopard habitat update. Where should we go next?
Well then, all of that should give you a pretty good understanding of how to make animals happy. So I'd like you to go and check on all the other animals in the zoo and fix up any issues with their habitats. That'll increase the average welfare of the animals across the whole zoo. And that average welfare is a very important statistic. Now, to quickly see how all your animals are doing in the zoo, you should go into zoo management and then into the animals section.
Let's see. Oh, let's go to the turtles' habitat. There it is. What do they need? Oh, they need some enrichment items. Let us there are the giant turtles. I'll give some bowls and some ice cube thing.
Sounds good.
Let's check it out. Oh, they need more hard shelter.
Oh, you mean the house? Let's give them some house.
Which one do you want?
I don't know, but... This one should fine.
Okay. Now, there it is. Let's move on to the next animal. Who is not happy now? Oh, zebra. Oh. They want some enrichment item too. Add some enrichment items. Again, another bowl. And fix the terrain. They want more long
Not
grass.
bad.
Oh,
Not bad at
What?
all. I think it's fair to say that you've passed the first part of your training with flying colours. There's still lots more to learn, but we'll have to head to another one of Bernie's zoos for that. If you want to grab your passport, we'll head off, shall we?
Sounds like you've got the whole zoo purring away nicely. Well, purring, grunting, screaming, booming. All the appropriate noises. I guess I was right to hire you, huh? Wants to save the entire planet. I'll just settle for saving a couple of species. Oh, and maybe having a type of frog named after me.
alright, let's go. I've got my passport and snacks. Next country, here we go.
Do we get snack this time? Or just stress and paperwork?
Depends on the country. Let's find out. Next country, here we come. New animals, new problems, and probably more work from Nessie. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.